don't know what's what though.
What else is new? What's up YouTube, my name's Will, and in today's video I'm joined again by Ben and the newest addition to the Life of Will garage, if you want to call it that, which is his new acquisition of a van. Ben, take it away, what have we got?
So this is my 2018 2 litre 104 brake horsepower Caddy van. In this video we're going to be doing the roof rails. I have plans for the van for the channel, so there's more videos in the future.
Just thought we'd do something quick and simple starting off, just to
introduce the van and something small just to get it going. But
yeah, so basically Ben's after buying a van. We're going to do a few bits of it. What are your plans for it? What have you already bought? We've got insulation.
I've bought the roof racks, obviously, because this is today's video. We bought the rail cover. I'm planning on sound deadening it, carpet lining it, colour coding the front bumper, back bumper, side trim, side mirrors, handles. I'm going to whiten it all out and then eventually get alloys for it, but that's later down the line. And maybe coilovers. But
listen, we've got a lot of work to do before we get to that point, because sound deadening and carpeting this thing is going to be a bastard.
Yeah.
To the job in hand, we're doing the roof rails.
So me and Will have a little setup here, right? So we have 2 ladders. To start this, what size is this? 6mm? 5mm?
5 or 6.
So you have a 5mm Allen key for 3 of them either side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to take them out. I'm pretty sure they're threads. And then with the kit I have, we'll leave it in the description. You get 3 different size heads. So I'm pretty sure they're for the back of the van, they're for the front of the van, and then they're for the middle. Because with the roof, it's like there's a little bit of a gap, so you have to put where did they go? You have to put one of them there to see the. So that's what we're doing.
Right, while Ben's faffing around figuring out which way round the thing goes, I'm going to set yous up on the other side of the roof of the van, and we're just going to crack on with this.
Yeah, so it's just a little thread and a rubber seal. So I don't know if I should leave this rubber seal in, but I am going to do it. I'm going to leave that rubber seal in. Classic. Because it was there, and I'm going to hold on to these just in case I ever want to put new roof racks in or take the roof racks off. I always have disc screws to replace them. If they're up, says I. That is the left side. The screws that we took out of the van are 5mm, but the screws that are provided from the website I ordered the roof rails off are 6mm. So you need to have 2 Allen keys, but I have an Allen key set. But Will just likes to use his fancy drill from Lidl. We're on the nail there. Right, on to the next side.
In typical us fashion, we've forgotten something.
Yeah, so you get caps with them, right? And where you put your lovely new fresh set of screws, the cap sits in and it covers the hole. Remember that. Look. Get out. Get in. Get in. Day 2. Ran out of sunlight the first day, so we're making the outro today. The roof rails are now done. I like the way it turned out. There's one problem, that the seals that come with it, around it, they don't sit properly. So with the Caddy that comes factory from Volkswagen, there's like a little indent, but the seals on the roof racks don't really sit into the indent that much. So I think I'm gonna have to get a bit of weathered silicone, preferably black, just to match it, just so to make sure that no water ingresses inside a Caddy. Yep. Next video is gonna be the side rail cover. I'm excited for that. Next time you see the van, it's gonna look a little bit different, so I'm also excited for that. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, because me and Will, we aren't really used to working on vans, we're used to working on cars. So any tips and tricks got to do with a van that I can avoid, I can do, maybe future videos, please let me know down below. and thanks for watching. See ya.